Hello students, welcome back to our channel Learn with Sahira. Students, in this video I am going to share with you all degree first semester Financial Accounting 1 important short questions and answers. If you watch this video, you will get the complete knowledge about short questions, how to write the short questions and what to write in the short questions. If you are new to my YouTube channel Learn with Sahira, subscribe my channel as well as share this video with your friends too so that it will be helpful for them also. I'm so sorry ma, I'm uploading this video really very late. Yesterday I was not at home. I was busy with other work, so I didn't get any time to make video. I'm so sorry, but few hours are left. You can just give a quick recap of this short question and answers. Okay, so without wasting any time, let us get started. First is objectives of accounting. If they ask you any question regarding accounting, first you need to write the definition. After writing the definition only you have to start the answer. And for short questions, pakka one side is necessary. If you want to write more than one side, you can write 1.5 side. But one side is pakka necessary ma. Okay, so let us see. What is accounting ma? Accounting is the science of recording and classifying business transactions. You should not write these much, not necessary. You just write in your own words what is accounting. Every business organization maintain records. That is nothing but accounts. Yes, each and every business, either it may be small, large business, everyone will be having accounts to ascertain their financial position, to know about the incomes and losses, to know about what is happening in the business. Like that, own words you have to write. If you want me to share this PDF, I will share the PDF in Telegram group. Okay, join my Telegram group. Link will be in the description, or else it will be in my community, or in description of my channel. After opening the channel, you will get the link there. Okay, let us see the objectives. To keep a permanent, accurate and complete record of business transactions. Yes or no? Permanent and accurate complete record will be there of the business transaction, purchases, sales, everything will be including in this. To maintain records of, yes, I said no, incomes and expenses. So what is the gain, what is the expense or loss, we will come to know with the help of accounts. To keep records of assets and liabilities in the balance sheet. In the balance sheet we will be having assets and liabilities, no? Yesterday in the final accounts I have explained you have to write that too. In simple, in easy, in your own words you can write ma. To enable the businessman to review and revise his policies in the light of past experience. Yes, whatever, if any losses are been in the past, then he can improve by proper planning and by changing the policies of the organization, by seeing the records. Yes or no? To provide information for legal and tax purposes. Yes, this is what it is about objectives of accounting. In your own way you can write about accounting concepts. Okay, or else you can ask fundamental accounting concepts. The answer will be the same. There are number of accounting concepts. Let us see. Business entity concept. What is this concept? In accounting, business is treated as an entity different from the proprietor. Yes or no? Business here, the organization is separate. Okay, and the proprietor is separate. Okay, this is separate and this is separate, both are not the same. This proprietor can't use the business amount or business property for his personal use. Okay, like that. Dual aspects concept. According to this concept, every business transaction has dual aspect. Every business transaction always results in receiving of some benefit, of some value, of giving some other benefit of equal value. Okay, see example. Capital plus liabilities, assets. Capital equals to liabilities, assets minus liabilities. Okay, then going concern concepts. So any business will be starting with a future what do you call, a future goal, means it wants to exist in the market with the competition. It does not want to wind up the business. Okay, ఏ బిజినెస్ అయినా ఎప్పటికీ ఉండాలని స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, క్లోజ్ చేద్దామని స్టార్ట్ కాదు కదా. कौन सा बिजनेस भी फ्यूचर में सर्वाइव करेंगे बोल के स्टार्ट होता, बंद करेंगे अपन 2 साल के बाद या 3 साल के बाद बोल के, नहीं, वैसा नहीं. It will be starting. Accounting is done on the assumption that the business shall have a long life. Yes or no? Cost concept. According to this concept, an asset is recorded in the books of the price paid to acquire it, and this okay, let it be. Money measurement concept. The money measurement concept signifies that in accounting a record is make only of those transactions or events which can be expressed in terms of money. Yes or no? Only the transactions or the things which are expressed in terms of money, that are only recorded, others are not recorded in accounts. What is debit note and credit note? Short note you have to write on debit note and credit note. What it is, let us see. A debit note is a document, bill, or statement sent to the person to whom goods are returned or from whom an allowance is claimed. Okay, this statement informs him that his account is debited to the extent of the value of goods returned or allowance claimed. I think you have been perfect with this debit note, credit note, ma. I should not say, because these are the simple notes which are sent while returning something. Okay. See here, when the seller receives back goods from the purchasers along with a debit note, the seller has to acknowledge the same by sending credit note. See, if this is the seller, this is the consumer, he will sell the goods. When it is returned by the customer, he will send debit note. When these are returned again, these seller should send credit note to this purchaser. Okay, got my point? So this is what it is about debit and credit note. What is the need for bank reconciliation statement, ma? BRS. So what is BRS? First you need to write. Okay, a bank reconciliation statement is a summary of business activity that reconciles financial details. Okay, what is the need of BRS? Let us see. It helps to ascertain the correct position of traders' bank balance. It helps to identify the mistakes which are being recorded in both the cash book and passbook. See, if we are issuing but it is not recorded in any of the book, so what happened? The balance will become unequal. Yes or no? Unequal. Equality will not be there. To change this unequal balance, to make both the balances equal, we will make BRS. Yes or no? You can write this in your own words. I will be sharing the PDF in my Telegram group. Okay, then it helps the misuse and misappropriation of cash. Yes, whatever you can write here. Okay, to avoid frauds, to avoid mistakes, to create position of traders bank balance, reasons, all that you can write. Okay, what are the causes of depreciation? What is depreciation? You have to write. When we take a property or a machine or some furniture, what will happen after few days or by the passage of the time, the price of it decreases? Yes or no? With the use of that machine or property. Yes or no? No, we can't take property in the depreciation. Property balance will increase, property cost or amount will increase, but depreciation will come to the machines and the furniture. Okay, so depreciation is nothing but the expenses which results from the use of fixed assets is called depreciation. In simple, you have to write what it is. Okay, then what are the causes? See, internal causes are there, external causes are there. Here are the internal causes. Due to war, okay, due to usage of fixed assets, due to lack of proper maintenance, due to change in production pattern, due to technological development, like that. External, you see, assets become outdated. There are many intangible fixed assets. Yes, these you have to write. Then see, functions of accounting. You just see these functions, maintaining systematic records. A system should be there. Without system, there is no. See, if we are making final accounts, trading and profit and loss account will be there, balance sheet will be there. Without this, can we make balance sheet? No, that is not possible. So system is there, communicating the financial results, meeting legal requirements, protecting business assets, assistance, stewardship. All these are the functions of accounting. Yes or no? Okay, next let us discuss about branches of accounting. What are the branches? Financial accounting is there. Financial accounting is also known as historical accounting, deals with recording, classifying and summarizing business Events. Okay, financial accounting ma, what the subject you are having now, you're dealing with financial accounting 1, no? In semester 2 you will have financial accounting 2. So what is financial accounting? You have to write. Cost accounting. What is cost accounting ma? The object of cost accounting is to find out the cost of goods produced and services rendered by a business concern. This is all related with the cost of goods ma, and the products which a company or which an organization produce. Management accounting. The management accounting is concerned with internal reporting of information, the management for planning, controlling operations, decision making. Okay, this management accounting is nothing but internal accounting system for planning, decision making, and formulating the plans. Responsibility accounting was basically developed to fulfill the operations of planning and control. Okay, then explain accounting equation. First you have to write the definition of accounting, then you start writing the equation. What is the equation? Assets equals to liabilities plus capital. Yes or no? Under the balance sheet we will be having assets and liabilities. Yes or no? These are the liabilities, these are the assets, this is amount, this is amount. So here in the liabilities side we will uh, plus the liabilities with capital. Yes or no? Yes or no? So that only he is saying here. Assets equals to liabilities plus capital. Okay, what are the assets? You have to write. Assets are nothing but cash, bank, furniture, debtors, all that we have seen yesterday in the explanation of final accounts. Capital, liabilities, you have to write. Explain the advantages of subsidiary books. What are the advantages we have to write? First you need to write what are the subsidiary books. So how many subsidiary books are there ma? You have to write purchase, sales, purchase returns, sales returns, all that books you have to mention if you want, if you are having time. Otherwise start writing the advantages. Division of work. There will be the division of work between the workers. Cash and credit transactions, both the transactions will be taken, not only the cash transactions. Takes less time. It manages the time. It takes very less time. Space for recording and transaction of transactions, cash and bank balances, quick reference. So all these are the advantages of the subsidiary books. Then let us see. Explain errors and disclosed by trial balance. See, what are the errors ma? Errors of principal is there. Errors of omission, errors of commission, compensing errors, writing to wrong head of account. These are the errors ma. Errors of principle, what it is? Errors that occur due to lack of knowledge about principles of accounting are called errors of principle. If we don't have the knowledge of accounting principle, what are the types of accounts, real, personal, nominal, what is debit is the receiver, credit is a giver, all that, if we don't know that accounting principles, this will happen. Okay, then error of omission. Errors which occur in accounting books due to the omission, forget or skip. We will be forgetting sometimes this or that transaction, that time this will happen. Commission also. Then compensing errors, writing to wrong head of account. If it is in the debit, if you write in the credit, that will be wrong. Advantages of bank reconciliation statement. Need and advantages, somewhat it is similar ma. That points also you can include in this, but you still see once. Okay, the preparation of BRS is carried out only by the trader. It helps to find out accurate balances. See, this was in the need also. Need. Yes or no? To find out the mistakes. This was also in the need. This was also in the need. So it is nothing but you have to write whatever it is the need. Mention 2 to 3 extra points. That's all. Bookkeeping versus accounting. What is bookkeeping? What is the accounting? Differences you have to write. It is the recording phase of an accounting system. It is the recording, classifying, summarizing. It is what it is. It has limited scope. It has limited scope, but it has wider scope. It does not require special skill or knowledge, but here skill and knowledge is necessary. It does not help in complying with legal formalities. Here it should comply with the legal formalities. It does not provide any information for taking decision making will not be done by this. Decision making will be done by this. It has no branches. It has several branches ma. Okay, this is what it is, the difference between the bookkeeping and the accounting system. Okay, then what is journal proper? You have to write a journal proper meaning. A journal proper records only those transactions that cannot be entered into any of the subsidiary books. Yes, that you have to write. What are the entries? This entries you have to write: cancellation of bills payable, capital brought in great amount, writing of bad debts, return of assets that were sold on credit, dishonor of bills receivable, whatever it is there you have to write, ma. Then see, the video is becoming very long, so I'm not just explaining you, just see. I will be sharing this in the Telegram group, you can have a look. What do you mean by cash book and passbook? Simple. Cash book will be with whom the cash book will be, ma? You say me explaining BRS, I have said you, yes or no? Cash book will be with us, yes or no? Means we will be doing the changes in the cash book, but in the passbook the bankers will change the passbook. This banker will give the passbook to the customer. Yes or no? List out the 4 reasons for difference between cash book, passbook. This is also from BRS only. Checks, sorry, when checks issued but not presented, when interest or dividend directly corrected, when checks deposited, all that you have to write. Money measurement concept and business entity, you just have a look with this. Okay, I will be sharing the PDF, no worries. Okay, difference between journal and ledger, this is also important, ma. Okay. Okay, so this is what it is about, your short question answers from your FA-1 examination. Subscribe my channel for more videos, and also I am going to upload paper presentation and pattern, and what are the mistakes you should not do in your FA-1 examination, how to make a triple column cash book in your answer booklet. Everything I will be explaining just in few minutes I will upload. Okay, see you all in the next video. Bye bye.